Hi, and welcome to Managing Your SQL Server Databases with Experta, the comprehensive maintenance and monitoring cloud-based solution for your SQL Server environment. My name is Ray Maor, and I'm the Head of Research and Development. In this video, I'll guide you through the different restore options available directly from the Experta web interface. The restore command is available as an immediate action from the left side menu. You can initiate the process at the server level or override a specific database directly by selecting the database name.
In this video,
Once initiated, the restore wizard will open, allowing you to change the destination server or databases, or choose to restore to a new database or override an existing one. The first step is to select the backup source. Next, choose the backup source type. Option 1, Source Database History. This option retrieves backup information directly from MSDB records. You can select the source database from any of your servers, then choose the specific backup file according to the backup time for restoration. If you select differential or transaction log backup files, Experta will automatically locate the corresponding full and other required backups to perform a complete restoration up to the chosen point. The second backup source type is backup files. Select this option to manually specify the backup files, which must physically reside on the destination server. You can choose one or multiple files, and Experta will ensure they are restored in the correct sequence. The last option is to have a point-in-time recovery. This option also utilizes the source database backup history, allowing you to restore the database to a specific historical moment. This is particularly useful for recovering from data corruption or accidental modifications. You want to select the source database and then use the timeline interface to identify and choose the desired point-in-time for restoration. In the next step, configure the advanced options, including specifying the destination paths for data and log files for the restored database, or if you override an existing database, you can opt to perform a full backup of the current database as a precaution before proceeding. Finally, review the summary overview of your restore configuration. For a deeper understanding of Experta's full maintenance capabilities, watch the Experta Maintenance Plans overview video.